Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to increase views, likes, and comments on your TikTok feed completely automatically using the MKT TikTok software. With this software, you can manage an unlimited number of TikTok accounts. If you want to see it feed likes, we'll go to the seeding function. I'll select the live stream seeding function. You can set up the configuration as shown here, just like I've done. Then copy the live link and enter your live link here. And we'll set the viewing time for the live stream here. Here you can enter how many seconds you want to watch, and especially for the comment section you should enter each comment as a separate line. Once you finish typing one comment, just press enter to go to the next line and enter another comment. So for the live link, you'll get it from TikTok, specifically your own live link. After you've finished setting up the configuration, you select your account and then click start. The software will automatically go to your live feed and begin seeding right away. It will automatically increase your view count, add comments, and send likes directly to your own live feed. If you want a tool like this, feel free to contact me. My contact information is pinned in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next ones. Goodbye and see you again.